Hello guys, welcome to IG Quest channel. First, I would like to show you what I'm doing today is I'm gonna make a chocolate sponge cake. First, I mix all together in this bowl 2 cups of cake flour and 1/2 of cocoa powder and 160 ml skim milk and 100 ml vegetable oil and 3 medium eggs and also 1/2 cup of sugar. So okay, I will show you step by step the procedure how to make chocolate sponge cake. Okay, right, I'm gonna crack the eggs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. And the next is our vegetable oil. Next is fresh milk. There you go guys, as you can see. And then I'm gonna give a hand mix. Okay then guys, now I will transfer this mix already in here in a big bowl. Okay? So, ito na ang aking cocoa powder at saka ang ating cake flour. Slowly but surely. Okay. As you can see guys, ganito, ayan, maganda ang pag-mixture natin. So, hindi mahalo yung mga buo-buo dyan. Ayan na. Actually guys, it smells nice. Hindi pa nga naluto, but it really smells nice already. So, enjoy watching. Sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't mind to subscribe me, and please don't forget to click the bell button below so you can all get notifications when I download my new video. Ayan, slowly to halo-halo mixture together. Ayan na siya. Just make it easy only to mix it together. Slowly but surely. Ayan na siya. When you like to bake guys, you enjoyed it as well. And you are very keen to baking when you're free. It's good habit though. It's really nice. You're learning every day. You're learning new recipes in your own version of recipes. And then it's, you know, you can share it to your YouTube channel. So everybody also can learn how to bake it slowly but surely. Ayan na siya guys, that's the result. Look at that. It's really creamy and softy. Looks delicious already. So, ayan. Ready na siya sa ating cake layer. Okay, now then guys, before we put our cake here, So we're gonna grease today in the margarine. Okay, nice and easy. That's it. Lovely. Ayan, gagawa na tayo ng circle para gawin doon sa bottom. Para ilagay doon sa bottom ng chicken natin. Ayan. So, chicken. So, that's it. Ayan. Lovely. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Looks good. Yes, guys. So now guys, ang gagawin ko ay you just put it here slowly and nicely. Okay, looks beautiful. How is that? Enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will subscribe you back. And also, I watch your video until the end, including your ads as well. Okay? Okay guys, I preheat the oven already. Gas mark for 160, and this will be cooked in 30 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, our chocolate sponge cake is ready. Oh gosh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. It looks beautiful. There you go. This is my chocolate sponge cake. Easy to make, easy to bake. Just follow my recipe and you will love it. Surely you can do this, guys. Ideally, for home baking, for all mommies out there, surely you can do this like mine and you will enjoy it and love baking. Baking is like a hobby, so stay tuned for my channel. To subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay connected guys. I love you all. Take care and God bless. Actually, it's nice guys. Wow. Sinibaan. Looks delicious. Look at that. Wow. It's ready to serve. Perfect. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. It's perfect. As you can see guys, it's very soft and tasty.
stir this.